Hey guys, thanks for clicking on the video. Thank you firstly for 100 subscribers and Happy New Year. I thought I'd just check in to let you guys know that I've completely blown out the first minute of the video. It's an issue which, I don't know, I had the wrong GoPro settings, I was too excited, and well, you know how it goes, right? So it looks kind of like this, which is not fabulous. It's completely blown out white. But yeah, moving into 2022, hopefully this pandemic business comes to an end, and also I get a lot more flying in. I've got a few other projects in the pipeline. One that I started working on last year, but I'll try to make more progress this year and make everything a reality. Apart from that, I'll be splitting content over 2 channels. The other channel I'll let you guys know and fill you in once I've got it. And yeah, so enjoy the video, the first flight of the year, and yeah, see you in the next one.
Yeah, it is again. That's me. And there's you. And I think all you cats out there with it and waiting and jumping up and down and sucking up that fine juice and patting each other on the back and telling each other who the greatest cat in the world is.